Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the error that your Spotify Wrapped is not popping up. So first of all, you need to make sure that you updated the app. So just go to the App Store or the Play Store and search for Spotify, and then check if you can update the app. And if that is the case, of course, update the app. And if it's not the case, then try, of course, and close the app and then start over or reopen the app and see if the Wrapped is popping up. Otherwise, what you can do, and this is probably the best option, is deleting the app. So you need to make sure that you, of course, know your password and your email to log back into your Spotify account. But that's probably the best option. And otherwise, you can wait because Spotify is slowly rolling it out to every user. But you can find it, right under the all section, or you can just go to the Wrapped section and you see all of your top songs, your artist messages, 2023 music, merch for you, and you see a lot of things. So basically you can just tap on this, of course, and basically the best option is to delete the app and then reinstall it and log back in, and hopefully that works for you. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.